So I made one trip already, but basically what's going on here is I am loading the car with
thy shite for thy job.
this school. Load the car, drive to the job site, unload, which is gonna be a bitch. We're gonna have to figure that out. Here we are. I found my tape measure, so good news. I can take measurements for these blinds, and then I can drive my ass over to Home Depot and buy them and install them, and yeah, go about my business. Leaving the fuck up out of here. Here we are, back at the site. So, I'm now realizing there's a lot more work than I thought, which is fine. And is always the case. I think I might keep this, which is something I often do. That's good. Shit. Wow. Yeah, that thing is never coming out. That's how you do that. I'm gonna swap out the batteries. Oh shit, this battery is at 21%. Great. unfazed. Hey, bud. All right. Officially back from the store, or the stores, plural. I went to Sherwin-Williams, I went to Home Depot. I got this towel rack here for the bathroom. I got new bulbs here for this light fixture. Maybe. Oh yeah, that works. Great. Okay. Bonk, 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 bonk. I'm gonna eat my lunch so I have enough nutrition to get through it. Oh, and I just smashed it. So for lunch today, this guy, Jarritos, I don't know how you pronounce it, but these things are amazing. So if you don't agree, you're not smart. Okay. No, there is none. Okay. Honestly, all good. So that's good. We got that done. All right. The new GoPro has now been reset up. You always got to get a YouTube video going. At least I do. That's my disease. One of them. One of many. Ooh.
When do you think you die, man?
When do I think I die? When am I gonna go?
37.
States of America. Because it can't be worldwide. There's always some old dude in India with steps. You get assassinated. When one member of your family fights, everybody gets brain damage.
You are not under arrest. Currently. Talk about the $2 million. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. I'll be back with my pole. I understand that all these practices I am filming myself doing as far as the painting, the sanding, the mudding, none of it is, none of this is proper. I don't have the right amount of drop cloths. I'm not plasticking anything off, but that is just in the mindset of saving time. I'm not taking the outlet plates off. I'm not taping the base. I'm not doing any of that. Okay. This room is painted and the battery is at 1%, so fucking awesome. Where we at here? That's good. Nice. This one's closed out. Here we are. We are closed out. We're gonna take this door, but otherwise, I think we're good. Here's what I'm leaving. A little dustpan and a wet rag for the final touches. All this stuff is going to the car. Fucking done. Fucking done. That's it. That's all of it. Fuck yeah, dude.